to Los Angeles Airlines, where healthy eating is always on trend. Today, we'll be preparing a classic Cobb salad and other delicious brunch items. First, let's heat up some tofu. We'll be using romaine lettuce as a base. Place some leaves into the chopper. Tap the handle several times. And a few. Almost done. Done! Place the salad on the tray. Tofu is ready. Add the tofu to the salad. For dessert, we're serving a chocolate brownie, a rich fudgy sweet. Great! You're ready to go. Great. Thank you.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly. Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Thanks.